In this video, we are going to fix 0x80070652 Windows Update error in Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that? At day start, navigate here, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. Once you have opened the settings window, you need to proceed to the left pane and find for an option called System. Click on it. And under the system, you need to scroll down and find for Troubleshoot. So I can see it here next to Activation. Click on that one. And afterwards, you'll see these three options again. Please proceed to other troubleshooters. So please run the troubleshooter corresponding for Windows Update and complete the procedure. Wait until it would be done. It might take 3 minutes, but please be patient. Okay? And once you are done, check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? So if this step hasn't fixed the problem, then you need to go for the latest update and then you need to download the latest update for for your computer and the website. So you'd be able to see this one, which is Microsoft Update Catalog, the moment you will search that here at the Google Chrome. Just search it here and proceed to the latest, to the latest version for your Windows Update here at the search bar. Please search that, okay, and click on searched, okay? Make sure that you have selected the official website, which is the Microsoft.com. So click on search. The moment you click on it, you'll see a list of results. Find for the latest update and then download it and run it into your PC, okay? So that's it. If you think this video will help you a lot, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.